Hi girls, just going through some of your water questions and a couple of ones that are posing difficulty, and a couple of you come to me about it anyway. One of them was the 2017 short question, but overall I think you managed very, very well considering that you did it all by yourselves, so fair play. There are a few little bits that we'll need to tidy up, but if we take a look at 2017 for example, how does boiling water remove temporary hardness? So temporary hardness is caused by hydrogen carbonate. So a hydrogen carbonate, it's normally calcium, but it could be magnesium. So it's hydrogen carbonate that you're taking a look at. When you boil the water, what you do is you convert that hydrogen carbonate into calcium carbonate. And that calcium carbonate then is deposited to form the scum that you find in a kettle in areas where you've hard water. So that forms limescale. In that way, you get rid of the temporary hardness, because when you boil it, it becomes limescale, and in which case the water becomes soft. So that is how you remove temporary hardness, is to boil it. And to remove permanent hardness, then you have to remove the ions. So an ion exchange resin, or replacing the ions, the calcium ions, with sodium, for example. So any of you that you have water softeners at home, you're probably putting salt in, and that sodium is replacing the calcium that was naturally in the water, or the magnesium in the water, and that way you're getting rid of the hardness out of the water, and therefore you're not getting the limescale in the kettle, for example. All the other questions that I've seen in terms of the water were reasonably well attempted. The major thing is that a good few of you didn't realise that I wanted the experiment questions done, so they're still outstanding, so I've been waiting for those to come in. So I'm going to start to chase tomorrow if I don't get them. They're asking in the school that we let them know if you're not engaging with Edmodo. So if you haven't given me work, girls, I'm going to have to say that. And if you're missing the experiment questions, can you please do them and submit them by Wednesday? So we'll give everybody till Wednesday to catch up. So that is all experimental questions, and all questions on water from 2019 to 2015 are due and overdue at this stage. So if you can get them all submitted, I've gone through most of them, and any outstanding, then I will have to let the school know. Okay, thanks very much. Take care. Bye.